guys, welcome back to the vlog. So you can see we're all dressed up, baby pre-birthday celebration. Check out the fit. Ooh, too far. All right guys, we are taking you with us on this journey. I hope you enjoy this one, so stay tuned. And I don't know if you can guess where we're going. Okay guys, so this is what the place is looking like. On DJ right, that's all. Ballsy. And look at the venue. The setup. Oh my god. Loving it. Loving it. Happy birthday, baby! Let's go! This one is the Rocco mango. Yes. Oh, alrighty, the food is here. The wings. Yes, the food is here. Here we go. Plantains. It's a soup.
We'll do it. Do it. Enjoy it. Oh my God. Do it. Do it.
Happy birthday.
That was a big one.
Hey babe. Ooh.
Hi baby.
So how you feeling? How was your time?
Good.
What did you enjoy?
I enjoyed the drinks, even though we had to correct them, but once they got it correct, it was awesome. How about you?
I enjoy tacos. Tacos was good. The plantains. And the drinks did alright after it up.
Hey, you had one drink. I have four.
Hey.
You know
you only have one drink,
you know? You wanted to get the strongest drink in the freaking place.
Yeah, I'm gonna take my little time, cause you know, yeah.
No.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
What is that?
What are you using? Yeah.
You want me to go back?
Terminal.
Go ahead. Like, what? We're there already? Yeah. That's all happened.
Why you distracted?
Birthday girl, yeah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ready for the road? Nice. Let's go.